Nó sống câu ư. So before every single song,
you save me so much. I'm
you always sing with the song first, and then you sing with your inner voice. So practice one day before, practice singing along with them first, and then after go practicing along, let that come at least solo sing by yourself. So that's how I practice. Always sing with the song first. Pretty sure they got lyrics. So this is a practice jingyao. So your next sing doa, if you haven't performed before and you want to learn how to perform, sing along with them. Make sure that you're not louder than they are, and then use your inner voice to sing along. So this is how I practice before I do any performances. Let me see how I do. Okay.
大西诺在海底光有的故，老古眼睛路过一零的故，在海底古路这有有的歌，老古路线我引导个鸟。 Even if you are so far away from my world, I still love you like I used to before. And even if I found someone else to replace you, you'll always be the love of my life. I see you.
Okay, so you guys kind of understand singing along with them with your own voice, but you try to pick up whatever they're feeding you, And then after có feeling how he's singing it, then I usually go right into the karaoke. When you go into the karaoke, that's when you can actually get to hear your own voice. So I'm gonna try to sing along with my own voice, and this time without the original singer. So your performer, practice, and don't be shy. Sing with your inner voice in your head first. Even without the mic, you can sing along without the mics.
但是我在海底共有的故，老古眼睛路过一零的故，在海底古路这有的歌，老古路线引导个鸟。 Te lo so là cái cho mong lo chỉ cho cụ thể tao dạy có lời. Even if you are so far away from my world, I still love you like I used to before. And even if I have found someone else to replace you, you'll always be the love the love of my life.
Alright, so you'll find your inner voice and you'll be able to start singing along with it. And that's how I was able to pick up these songs so fast. And especially if you have a concert coming up and first time singing, huh? It is scary, but this is how I practice. You sing along with him, and then you sing along karaoke. So I'm gonna change the style of the music because this is a slower song. So we're gonna do a faster song, and that way you guys will see the difference of how if you use the same strategy, it's still gonna work the same way. Okay, so singing along with the singer, and then after you're comfortable with singing along with the singer, you could go ahead and go karaoke. It's a little bit faster, okay? So you will have to practice and practice and practice. So this is for the new singers. 个不拉熊go right now because I got a party going up, so might as well teach some new singers.
好孤零哦，迎起山海蝶孤远几个。透过波光笼子，我的故事写你我几个，一个波咖喱，有到过都一股写啥，啥到个样都故意啥，寂寞泪的比多个，故事还个这个拥有。ยังชิมัวลิตปีเต่าผู้สายจงก็ให้เตียปีเต่าที่รู้กูมาลีต่อก็สุดที่ดีก็ไม่จ้าจะชิต่อก็ลีดูเชียร์สาจงกูรอนะรอกูมาลีต่อก็คนยังพัดตื้อกูยังสามูจะอีเล่งย้อนอีฉันดูกูกูรู้รอกูมาลีต่อก็早早个走路，跑步路线，早早กูมาว่าเชียนได้โตลีกู路线นึกตื่นย้อนเท่าไรก็
So this is practicing with the singer, and then you can catch on real fast. The best is to go all in, go get karaoke right away, because you start getting to understand the song, huh? So you just gotta wing it. So this is how I practice to perform. I sing along with the singer multiple times with my inner voice in my head, never too loud to overrun his voice, but couple along with him. And then you could actually pick up his singing style and use it to your own as well.
ยิ่งชิสาให้เดียกูย้อนจิโกนุ่งนองทอกก็บอกก็ลงทีว่าตะกูลุเชียนึงย้อนจิกาไอ้ก็บอกกาลีอย่าตอกก็จะลีกูเชียสาสตอกก็ยังตะกูวิชาจิมัวเล่งตื่นปีกูสักกันแต่ก็ยังเก่ายิ่งชิมัวเลยตื่นปีเต่ากูสหายจะก็ให้เตียปีเจ้ากี่รู้กูมาลีต่อก็สักนั้นยังก็ไม่จำสักชิตาก็ลีลูเสียสาจนรู้หลอนะหลอกกูมาลีต่อก็ยังไม่สามูสายเล่งย้อนอีฉันดูรอกูมาลีต่อก็กูจะทบกับเธอกูจะดูที่ยิ่งชิมอเลยตูชิมอก็ยิ่งเล่นทุกกันจะยอกูรู้เชียวสา thơ có thọ mò cùng họ xiên thấy to vì cô lu xiên nữ tư nhau đợi đại con sao tôi ý sao tôi nhận được cô ý chỉ muốn lên từ tì chúa có cô sẽ không có thể có giống gạo nhưng chỉ muốn lên từ tì tao cô sẽ hay cho có hai tiền vì cho cái lúc cô mà lì to có.
So that's how we learn to perform. Once you understand, pick up the lyrics, then it'll be a lot easier. It was a little bit harder for me to sing the songs because I don't know what's coming up next because we're basically reading when you weren't learning. So it's fine that you're reading, but repetition makes it easier to come to your mouth. Or when you sing, your mouth just start moving by itself. So this is for a lot of new singers that sing and they want to start learning how to sing. Karaoke, I love karaoke. I've been karaoke forever, but you always have that one friend that can't seem to pick up karaoke. So this is my way of learning how to sing and perform. Sing along with the original, but use your inner voice. You use the inner voice, sooner or later you will be able to overcome their voice and bring out your own voice. So another practice song. So this might be the last song that I'm gonna practice a little bit with you guys. Okay.
Cô tự có bóng luôn của mua cô chỉ xa cả tí thở lo cô chỉ xa cả trong lý nó cô thọ có để cho nó cũng má lý bao cho cô yêu ở trong thâu yêu chỉ buồn cho kỹ lúc lòng yêu bố cao có lúc xuân đi xuân nó cho nó thu nhỏ lên để nó ra cho có sự vì cô chỉ muốnเป็นsự yêu hai lo thật có đủ xuân nó cho nó thu nhỏ lên để nó ra cho có sự vì cô chỉ muốnเป็นsự yêu hai lo thật có đủ
Okay, so this one was a lot easier, but like I said, once you keep singing along with the song, it will pick up a lot easier. And the more you sing along with him, when you go straight into an instrumental right after, you're gonna be able to pick it up and sing it better. And I know that there's multiple recordings on this one, so I think this one has with lyrics.
Thấu ra là gì đâu cô vì cô tự có bóng của moi cô cho xa cả tí đó lo cô chỉ xa cả trong lý nào cô thao có ấy chứ nó cũng má lý bao giờ cô yêu ô dung thơ yêu chỉ buồn cho kỹ lúc lòng yêu bố cao có lúc xuân đi cho nút cho mà cô nhỏ lên để nó dần dần có sự vì cô chỉ muốn tình sự yêu hai lo được có đủ
that's my cover. Like I said, if you guys want to perform in your next, performance for your concert or New Year's or anything, and then I should do singing. What I do is I sing along with the original for forever how long, but right after go practice guitar and then you go straight into the instrumental, so that way you guys could pick up faster, because when he's not singing, that's when you actually learn. Oh, that's when I should start singing. So it's not really about knowing the rhythm, but knowing when to sing. So hopefully all these tips I give you guys could help you guys perform better for your next New Year's or tournaments or whatever's coming up for you guys. And another tip for singing higher pitches, what I do is I actually watch YouTube a lot, and they actually teach you how to sing higher. So how I sing higher, I got a deep voice, so how I'm able to sing higher pitches. Like my nephew said, man, I don't even think that you can sing high pitches, but you be hitting it sometimes, and my trick is, of course, practice higher. Then what you do is you try to hit the high pitches in the lower voice. So go sing, but when you're actually karaoke, you sing as loud as you can, But since you're singing so low, so constantly, every time you sing it low, you're able to hit that pitch when you're singing higher. So that's how I'm able to hit higher pitches. Let's see. I'll do one last one just to get people to understand hitting higher pitches. It's a lot harder, but anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. So okay, let's go with this one.
Chromebooks are seriously
This one, last one.
right
For sure,
out of the
this one,
box.
last one.
Just sign in with your Gmail and create. All your files are
So if
right
you guys
there.
want to start learning how to sing in karaoke or sing higher or better,
Switch to setting up the easy way. Switch to Chromebook.
use my tips. It'll work definitely.
Yeah. ZPX. Yellow Ma. Let's get it.
Dalatia, Jakuka Kushakia, Shitsolia, Yalutia, Lukutia, Lukutia. Kuchatit Tondo, the Saki Luichiwa, New York, Oli, Ulazano, Ulongo, Solita Ito, your Kwashiji.
So that's a good example. That's a very good example how you could, start hitting high pitches. Because when you start practicing the high pitch, but with your inner voice, and then when you're singing in live, you're singing live. Lower. Don't scream it out. You gotta sing it low. Because a lot of people they mistake by singing it out loud, as loud as they can with the lungs. But then most of the successful singers that were able to sing it higher, they're singing it lower. So that's a little tip that I have for you guys. So let's try to see if they got a. Oh, this is way lower. This is like a girl version. Okay. Let's try. Yalama, 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 yalama. I think this one. So this one is the karaoke without the original singers. your name, practice here, practice not, yeah, you guys would definitely be able to sing it. CPX. Yalama. Let's get it. So there it is. How you're able to sing high. So hopefully my tips and tricks will help you guys perform better on your next performances. And talk and make karaoke. I want a lot more karaoke friends and family. Okay, so Troshia saying in the future. So hopefully these tips and tricks will help you guys karaoke better. Okay. I don't know lyrics, but yep, you guys get it. All right, last song for the night, Lahushi. Since I will be practicing for my party coming up, so thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys watch over this and learn some tricks too as well, and to sing songs. Hello, testing. You okay? Hello, you okay? Okay, last song for the night, okay? Practice, practice, practice. Make perfect. But practice with the singer and then practice with the karaoke. If you want to hit higher pitches, then practice with your inner voice. Don't sing out loud.
Chua 呀古我记走个路下个天里看我要跌咕噜个记走我要跌咕噜也记走个路下个天里看我知道，青春的呀，我知道，个路上，个天里看，我要跌咕噜个知道，我要跌咕噜也知道，个路上。个天里看。Woo! All right, thank you for tonight. Hopefully, you guys learned something and we could karaoke together. Okay. So I want to see more performances in the future, more singers in the future, and you know, feel free to collab with me. And now I got a music studio that I can record music to. So you know. Let's do a lot of fun things in the future, okay, guys? And I'll see you guys again. Bye.